To the rules of the World Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Federation, Asian Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Federation and Indian Bodybuilders Federation. So let's give them a round of applause. Zordar taaliya inke liye. It's not easy. And for your kind information that India is doing very well in these categories in the world, and raise your hand and give your introduction. Trunk number 226. Rubina Rahman of Assam. Trunk number 227, Saya Barua of Assam. Trunk number 228, Barnali Basumagari of Assam. Trunk number 229, Nishlin Parikh of Maharashtra. And trunk number 230, Sanjana of Central Revenue Board. So all of you, are you ready? Okay. So 4 quarter turns, stand front, first to stand front, facing the judges, okay, legs together, both the legs together, okay. First quarter turn towards your right, okay, once again quarter turn towards your right. One more time, quarter turn towards your right. And one more time, quarter turn towards your right. Okay, interchange the position, trunk number 230. Once again, quarter turn towards your right. Again, quarter turn towards your right. Again, quarter turn towards your right. Okay, ladies, please go behind and stand according to your trunk number. The center of the stage. The 5th place goes to trunk number 229, Nishlin Parikh of Maharashtra. Just to inform all of you that Nishlin Parikh is the athlete of the Indian Bodybuilders Federation. She has been competing in all the national, international championships for the federation, and she is just 56 years young. And she has been inspiration to the many young aspiring athletes, women athletes of our nation. Thank you, Nishlin. You on stage itself makes a lot of difference to all of us.
This event is sponsored by Sai Vikas Junior College.
Please come here, Nishlin, this side. Okay. To give away the 4th place, can you call the guest on this?
Pankaj Bora. Mr. Pankaj Bora.
And the 4th place goes to trunk number 227, Saya Barua of Assam.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Please stand. Yes, this side. Yes.
Now, Himanshu is the guest.
For the third place, and the third place in this category goes to trunk number 226, Rubina Rahman of Assam. Congratulations, Rubina ji.
Now guest Rishi Upadhyay and Pankaj Bhattacharya.
And the runner-up for the first Miss Saraigat Model Quizzes 2022 goes to trunk number 228, Barnali Basumagari of Assam. Thank you. Stand beside. Yes. And to give away the winner for the first Saraigat, Miss Saraigat 2022 goes to trunk number 230, Sanjana from Central Revenue Sports Board. Okay, all of you together for the एक गेस्ट आपके बीच में रहेंगे, एक गेस्ट उसमें आप जगह छोड़ दीजिए. One person can come here. Yes, yes. Okay, please keep some space. Yes. Okay. Okay, congratulations, ladies. So you are the winners of the first Saraigat 2022. It will be written in the history. Seriously organizing Saraigat, it is not easy. Hats off to you. I think we all should give a standing ovation to Baba Jyoti Goswami for organizing this. Please, standing ovation to Baba Jyoti Goswami ji for organizing this championship again and again. Please come at the center and take a photo with the beautiful ladies of the Indian Bodybuilders Federation. Yes. Okay, thank you. You may sit.